Good morning. Need to leave the Edinburgh.
I'd rather stay more days.
This parking lot was really good. Yeah. Safe and like free for weekend.
Yep.
You know, unfortunately we gotta move, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully we are gonna have another chance to visit this town. It's really nice. 오늘 이거 파킹lot 안 낼 거라고 엄청 일찍 일어나서 준비했더니야. 저기 집 봐. 캐슬 같아.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Guys, today we are head to where? The Vanlife community. There is one spot we found it through the app, and we don't have that much information, so we are gonna head down there, and hopefully the information we read it is right. The Vanlife community for free that you can stay. So yeah, hopefully that's the correct information, and we're gonna check it out, right?
Yep.
Woo. And then we are driving in country road, so it's quite bumpy. Bumpy.
181 for 2 miles.
Where they're taking us?
Make a U-turn and
Campsites,
turn
one
right.
is the free campsite, one is the paid campsite. Yeah, this is definitely the paid campsite, baby. Not the wrong road, we gotta keep going on this road.
So we went to the wrong place, right?
Yeah.
We went to the campsites, like a paid campsite. So the Google giving us the kind of pedestrian road to drive on. So we are turning around, like a really, really different route right now.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the right route, but
Yeah, hopefully. It's quite tricky, huh? 도로는 맞는데.
that house.
Oh wow.
Wow.
여기 예쁜데 근데 여기로 가는 게 맞냐 이거지? 프라이빗이라며. 여기 섬 아니가 언니야?
Yeah, right. It's a castle or something.
어. 그거
Take the next
leading
left.
us quite a cool way.
It's like a castle, right? It's
이거 캐슬 같은데.
private castle.
아닌 것 같아 언니야.
It's really pretty though, huh?
어.
We got free tours.
Half a mile.
There's a way to go down, right? We go back down, right? We had a free castle tour. Not tour. We just drive in. Sorry that like the castle owners will not be happy that we went to the private road, but there's no choice. Anyways, there's no road that we can get through the Vanlife community area, so we went back to the app and then like checking the comments and descriptions. They say like first place we went to the paid campsite that was right, like in directions. We go up there and ask a person whose name is Andrew, right? And ask him, and then we can find more information. It was quite, yeah, it's nice though, right? The castle was pretty. Alrighty, we are back again. 다시 돌아왔다. 여기 가라고 아까 했었잖아, 맞지? 여기서 지내는 건가?
This is reception.
Okay. Do you want to show this one? I pull it up.
Yeah.
Hi.
I'd be passing me on the road.
No, Andrew.
Andrew, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me a I don't know where he lives, but I'll see if I can find him. for you.
Okay.
Can I help you just
Yeah.
now? It's a bit busy.
We're looking for like a van life community.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
He's sleeping just now, so you probably just wait to go and park up just now. My name's Steve. Mark, yeah.
My name is Lucy.
Lucy.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you
you.
There.
Anywhere here.
Ah,
Just now.
okay.
I mean, Andrew might say when he's up, he might say somewhere else, but
Okay.
I'm just thinking
Yeah.
that would be fine just now in case. I know that the hookups are not sorted yet.
Okay. So there's no power right now.
No, there is in some of them,
Okay.
but these ones not.
We arrived here. The guy, Andrew, he's not here right now. He's like, I think he's taking a nap. So we will wait for him to come here, and then we can hear a little bit of more explanation about the van life community.
My name is Andrew.
Hello.
Hi.
Well, this is a first. I've never had anybody from Korea before.
Really?
Campervan. You stand there because I have to take it. I really never heard of this before in my life. I mean, I think yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Oh, bless you. Thank you. My name's Andrew. Come on down and talk to us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the main building. We built it, created it.
Thank you.
There you go. So you've got inside here, you've got the clubhouse.
Oh, cozy.
Oh, nice
You've got
one.
the clubhouse, that sort of thing. I'm just going to help yourself to tea and coffee in the cafe. So dining room, cafe.
Wow.
You know, we're doing everything slowly but surely.
So beautiful.
Wow.
So it's a van life community retreat.
Oh, nice.
So we go
That
from
is
all
true
over the
then.
world. People from all over the world come here and, you know, anyway. To show David this. Hang on.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey guys.
oh, we almost sit down. It's a baby dog, maybe. This is mama.
Maybe, huh? They're tired.
Here. One more.
Oh, another one. Wow, they're so quiet.
Country castle,
right.
right?
I'll find out.
We accidentally drove into this castle.
Yeah, it's my home.
That's your home?
Yes.
Oh,
Did
I
somebody
already
stop you or?
No, nobody stopped us.
I went down there as well the first time I came here. I was like, ooh dear.
Someone stared at us and looked at us kind of funny, but that's about it. Wow, so this is your kind of family home? Or?
Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
you said it like that's really beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Hi there. Just want to take a look around.
Beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
Talking, this is a van community, van life community. So like some people like it's not true, it's not like the van life community. I see the mixed comment.
Yeah,
So we were not sure is it true or not, and
Yeah.
we were hoping is it true because like at least we say like we are kind of tired of it. A little.
It took
They
me
have-
2 days to find out.
Ah, if you didn't tell me, I would never know. Ah, that one. Awesome. Oh my god.
So you've got a tumble dryer,
Oh.
two washing machines,
Uh-huh.
and then if they're full, you can just take them out, put it in a bag,
Oh wow.
use what you need to.
Oh, that's
So-
nice.
I know. I thought
Yeah.
it's like you say, you want to dry everything, don't you? So, and then you've got bathroom showers and that at the back
that's
here.
cool.
Yeah.
I cannot believe that just find this places exist, you know, for free and full-time van lifers.
That's it.
Guys, I think it's I cannot believe this is true. Actually, van life community is true. And here we just had a coffee. You can just grab it and boil the water. You can have it, and really cozy. And the funny thing is that castle we just like drove in. That is the Andrews like a family castle. 밴으로 들어와서 식사 준비했지요. 오늘 저녁은 무엇입니까? 뽀글뽀글하는 거 봐.
오늘 fish chowder.
생선 차우다.
Look at that.
어 와.
Let's try this, huh? Oh wow. That looks amazing.
You are genius about cooking this kind of soup, honey야.
Thank you.
Right. 그러면 우리는 먹으러 가겠습니다, 여러분. 바이바이. 오.
Good morning.
Good morning. 우리 여기 있은 지 얼마 됐지? How long we have been here?
For a little while.
오늘 타운 가서 슈퍼마켓에 장을 좀 봐야 돼.
슈퍼마켓 아니고 편의점.
편의점. 근데 거기에 슈퍼마트라고 있더라. 이름이 슈퍼마트.
Alright, let's go. Nice jacket.
Thank you. I was going to say the same thing. 누가 해줬지?
You got it for me. Or you
어.
picked it.
무샵에 가서 구매했습니다. 잘 샀어. 새 건데. Okay, let's go.
Oh, and it's morning, but The sun's about to set again. Just want to see what's over here.
Snacks.
Ah,
What is this one? Pickled
mussels.
어? 아니야. 부닭볶음이랑 신나.
어, 뭔데?
Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Okay, we're back.
Yeah.
Maybe this is the last time we see this land without snow.
스노우 오기 전에 우리 가야 돼.
Oh my gosh, TV's covered.
Oh my god, it's snowing. Kinda like lucky, I guess. Since we have to work on the video, so we didn't sleep. But oh my god, look at this, the snow. It's crazy. It's cold, but it's crazy. 완전 하얀판이야. 아직 발자국 아무것도 없다. 빨리. 오, 혼이야. 우리 고드름 생겼어 차 밑에. Guys, good morning. Last night we saw the snow was coming from the sky. 3 a.m. I think we went back to sleep pretty late because I was so excited to see the snow. If you guys know me well, you know that I'm from South Korea and the south part of the South Korea, so it's hard to see snow. Yeah, but look at this. When I woke up, everything covered with the snow, but I don't see the snow from the sky. So I think that's it. Maybe I hope that I can see snow soon again, because it's such a fun. I like this sound, you know. Stepping on the snow. I'm gonna throw snow later tomorrow. We had a winter camping, but not like this snow. We had a snow a little bit in Russia, and then we saw snow already cover side of the road in Mongolia. It was kind of unusual, but we never be like this. Look at TV. Oh my god, she doesn't look. Hello.
Hello.
So last night we had a little bit of shocking thing because our front windshield is not a good condition, because when we were in Morocco we hit by a sandstorm and we damaged our front windshield. And the thing is, it's hard to replace. If we want to, we gotta contact with the courier and then ship through the DHL and then send to the Kia and replace it. It's just a lot of costs going on. So right now we try to hang on as much as we can. Hopefully later we can find in some country in Europe that can do it. But anyways, so we have cracks on the front windshield, and then we noticed that yesterday inside of the windshield, inside of the car has ice on it, and it started to have ice on the outside too. So we took our insulation and put outside, and then the other one 2 layers, and it's not perfect size, so we use a duct tape. Man, I hope that TV with front windshield can hang in there, you know. All right, that's so pretty though. Everything is white. 안 떨어졌어. Honey, when you make the snow ball, you gotta be careful. Ah! Let's make the snowman.
It looks like he's blinking. Math.
코는
그거는 얘는 코가 없을 거야. 아,
코가 없다고? 코가 없으면 안 되지.
okay. You got a stick? Okay, nice. And
근데 이거 씩을 거 같이 생기잖아.
that's pretty good, actually.
아, 나이스.
Yeah, nice.
아, 이뻐라. 나 머리도 완전 엉망진창이긴 한데. 아, 아이들. It is snow.
You're not been used to this, though, yeah?
No, I'm not familiar with the snow.
But I need to put my snow chains on or I'm not going to get off here.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Yeah, because of the weight of the van.
Ah.
I think we are trapped.
Yeah, I think we'll be okay.
Oh, they got stuck. Oh, they're rolling back.
Really? Another car's stuck. And the power is out. Those are just the solar lights that are on.
Oh.
Our power's out. Is it getting colder down there?
Yeah, it's freezing cold.
Right now we've just got the
Just one.
three candles going
yeah.
right now. You might have to put the mega candle out soon, huh? Good thing I charged our house battery today.
Still have a battery, so if the so low, we gotta change the inverter.
Yeah, right. Power's back on. Yeah, power's back on.
저녁은 저번에 산 예전에 산 롯데블. 끝.
Russia with those guys.
그냥 여기 놔두면 되는 거 아니야? 자, 밥을 까보겠습니다. 흰쌀밥이야. 얼마 만에 먹는 흰쌀밥이야. 우와, 머쉬룸.
Lots of mushrooms.
들깨가루 냄새 난다. 야, 이 맛있는 냄새 제대로 나네. 들기름.
냄새 좋다.
들기름이잖아요. 들기름이 맛있거든. 다음에 들기름 하나 사야겠다. 맛있지? 눈 커진 거 봐. Your eye was like almost popped.
Really good.